Hello all. In today's video, let's discuss about the Gini impurity and entropy. Whenever you see the word called Gini impurity, remember the word called impurity. Okay. Whenever you see the word called entropy, over there you remember as like randomness. Okay. Once again, whenever you see the word called Gini impurity, remember the word called impurity. Whenever you see the word called entropy, remember the word called randomness. Okay. Now let's understand what is this Gini impurity. Let me take a scenario. Just assume I have taken a red paint. Okay. Just assume I have taken a red paint box. In that red paint box, we do have complete red paint. Okay. As in that box, we do have only red paint itself. Over here, impurity is very less. Okay. As in that box we're gonna have only the red paint. Over here the impurity is very less. Okay. Now after some time, what I did, like, I have taken the green paint and I have mixed that green paint inside this red paint box. Okay, what I did, I have taken a green paint and I have mixed that green paint inside this red paint box. Now right now this is completely mixed. Over here, now what's happening, impurity is very high. Okay. Now let's understand the entropy. Let me take a scenario. Now entropy, in the sense, you have to remember the word called randomness, right? Now for this, take a coin. Okay, assume we do have a coin. That coin, on the both sides we do have only the head. Okay, once again we have taken a coin and assume for that coin, for the both sides we do have only the heads. Okay. Now whenever I flip the coin, what will be the output? All the time it will be the heads itself, right? Because on the both sides we do have the head. So in this scenario the randomness is very low. Okay. Now I have taken another coin where we do have on one side the head, on other side we do have the tail. Okay. Now we have taken a coin where on one side we're gonna have the head and on other side we're gonna have the tail. So now if I flip that coin, at times it will appear as like tails, at times it will fall as like a head. So the result is random. Okay, this is the definition of the entropy and Gini impurity. Now let's link up this knowledge with the decision tree. Now just assume we have taken a fruits basket. Okay. Now these fruits are randomly arranged. Okay. Now right now what happens over here, randomness is high. Okay, as these fruits are randomly arranged, that means randomness is high, that means entropy is high. Okay. Now one more way as well we can see from the perspective of Gini impurity. Now we do have mixed fruits inside this, bananas, cherries, pineapples, strawberries. Okay, we do have all the mixed fruits. That means over here the impurity is high, that means Gini impurity is high over here. Now in the decision tree what happens is we are going to get the information gain. Information gain in the sense nothing but these kind of conditions. Okay. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate. Okay, first I have chosen color yellow. Okay, as per to the color yellow it will get divided. Okay, first side, okay, it went. Now one over here the weight is greater than 120 grams, so once again they got separated. Now on the right side, as pineapples are greater than 120 grams, they got separated. On other side bananas got separated as they are less than 120 grams. Now in the same way, at the top level we have divided on the basis of color. This is not the color yellow. Now let's see, is this color red? Yes, it's a color red. Now just assume if it is a weight is greater than 10, then it will get divided again. Okay, weight, if it is a weight is greater than 10 in the sense strawberries, if weight is less than 10 grams in the sense cherries. Okay. Now if you see at the below, at the top, if you see all are mixed. Okay, but if you see at the top, if you see at the bottom, all are separated. We do have only pineapples, we do have only bananas, we do have only strawberries, we do have only cherries. So over here impurity is low, randomness is low. Okay, this is the whole concept related to the Gini impurity and entropy. I hope you would have understood the concept. In case if you have understood, please do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.